Good morning, traders. It is my joy and pleasure being here with you. In this video, I would like to address our extended rally. October 6th was ultimate institutional buy point. For days, market went through junk, massive junk, and horrific corrective markets, horrific pullbacks. Intelligent trader who understands Alpha Fibonacci system knows many hours in advance. This is a brick wall. This is day trading trend exhaustion levels. So if I convert right now this chart to 1, what do you see? Shock or not? Hours in advance you know where brick wall is. If I convert this chart to 3, hours in advance you know what not to enter into. This is a major problem in front of you. This is to the downside critical support. Ouch! This is your trading range this morning, right now. Is anyone seeing powerful sellers? No. Why? Because support is in front. It's a pickle. It's a problem. Intelligent trader understands this is a war zone. Intelligent trader understands power of Fibonacci as a predictive, the only natural sequence. 14 years later, when I developed 32 strategies, I can tell you one thing with 100,000% certainty. If you're using anything else, you're wasting your time. Do you know why? Because nothing else on this planet will ever give you in advance ultimate buy and ultimate sell zones. Only Fibonacci can. Goldman Sachs traders, JP Morgan traders don't chase indicators. They trade the price. So why are you in the world wasting your time on $90 or $300 indicator? Tell me. Why in the world you're not thinking as Goldman trader does? This is a problem in front of you now. This is a test you must pass daily. This is what you must respect and adore moments like this. This is war. This is not peace. You're stuck between day trading resistance and day trading support. Ouch! Goldman and JP Morgan and BlackRock continue buying the market. This is a chart that trades. This chart. Take a look on Alpha Fibonacci system and why JP Morgan trader is my student. I cannot be more proud. So here's the power of the system in the last year. When millions and billions of dollars are traded, they are not trading little junky charts. They are holding positions for days, weeks, and months. So when market is selling off, intelligent trader knows months in advance that 19,000 is institutional buy point. You are sleeping well at night. You understand that this is institutional support. It is not the place to short. So when on March 23rd, the world is in panic, who is creating news? Top 1% creating news. Bottom 99 is in panic. Top 1% is buying the market. Institutional support is reached with Alpha Fibonacci system. You know this in advance. Boom. Just like you know in advance that they started buying viciously the market. During the worst economic crisis, you are witnessing the biggest vertical institutional rally since 1987. And many, many months in advance, you know where institutional reversal zone will be. That's it. This is the market. In this trading room with my students, since March 23rd, we had 0 shorts. Because I teach my students exact same way I teach JP Morgan trader, who does not have a short button. Boom! It's a big boom. How many shorts did you take? Oops. If you've been shorting the market since the March 23rd, you are officially a gambler. You don't think as Goldman Trader does, do you? You have a lot to learn. I mentor all of my traders to think as top 1% does. As top 1% loves creating panic and negativity while buying the bottom. So now we have a lot of pickles in this market because institutions holding longs. There is absolutely no institutional shorts in this market, only longs. We discussed with students extremely aggressive long. It's a world of difference if you buying the bottom versus buying now the top. That's a very different looking chart. So if you bought the bottom when price was at this support, you are a brilliant trader. But if you touched any shorts since March 23rd, you are gambler. You don't think as JP Morgan trader does. You don't trade as BlackRock trader does. This is the chart where millions and billions of dollars are moved. Market is very challenging. Market is very difficult. Very few gems are present. You need to choose your trade carefully. And if I go back to day trading chart, did we know or did we know there are no shorts in this market? Of course, because we've been monitoring this support. A whole lot of crawl, a whole lot of pain. Most powerful market formations played out in European session. Now is a pain. No shorts, only longs. Problem is, bullish rally overextended. We discussed with students extremely aggressive long. Intelligent trader refuses to choose pain and torture. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullbacks. Intelligent trader buys from support, not into resistance. And that's the market for the last year on Dow. But if I bring up to your attentions S&P, it's exact same thing. 0 sellers in this market. Zilch. And when market went from correction, every day we discussed 2900 institutional support. And when S&P giving you such a beautiful gift, and a buy at 3200, you are genius. And if you touched any shorts, you are trading as Walmart trader. You are not trading as top 1%. So when you start understanding how rigged market is, how panic and negativity created by top 1% that owns the news, trading on the news never works. Trading with a price and Fibonacci does. And that's the pain in front of you now. Intelligent trader avoiding pain. Intelligent trader understands. Powerful pullback is critical. Without powerful pullback, only pain is present. What does intelligent trader understand? This was a critical buy point. This was a better one. That's it. Now, no sellers in this market. But it's a very painful crawl. Because if this support is present, you do not want to touch any shorts. It is that simple. Oil doing exact same thing, stuck at Alpha Fibonacci resistance for the last 3 months. Let me remind you what oil looks like before oil staged this phenomenal rally. As again, my incredible student in Saudi Arabia was buying the bottom. Did you know that oil can crash below zero? If you used Alpha Fibonacci system, you knew this since 2018. This is what oil looked like before oil reached reversal zone in 2018. Staging bullish rally from 30. This is oil before it reached reversal zone. And when oil starts selling off, no one should be surprised. That's the power of reversal zone traders. It's a trend exhaustion levels. Price collapses more than 80% of the time. 2020, oil selling off. Everyone knows this is what's next. Do you see number below zero? Reversal zone. Everyone in shock. No one ever seen number below zero. So if day trading not your cup of tea, as Mustafa says in his podcast, use everything for long-term investment decisions. It is that simple. You will never need anything else. That's it. That's also oil for the last 4 years with Alpha Fibonacci system, all in advance, never after the fact. But if I look on Apple, my goodness, oops, stuck, split at reversal zone. If I look at Amazon, never crashed through support. Amazon been in correction for the last 4 months. And if I look on pound, identical thing remains. Stunning bullish rally at the time of COVID from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Chart present in front of you for years. But if we look on gold, oops, this chart present in front of you for years. It's a reversal zone, not the place to enter into. Gold is stuck. You can trade one with Alpha Fibonacci system. You can trade it all. And that's your trading range. Did we know in advance that this would be a problem? Of course. You saw it on Apple, you saw it on Amazon, you saw it on oil, on gold, on S&P. What is the difference? In day trading, you see it instantly. The pain of overextended rally and your trading range this morning. Sellers remain worthless. Buyers are fully in charge if this support remains respected. Time and time again. If you can trade one, you can trade it all with Alpha Fibonacci system. So we sold out from previous package traders. I would like to remind you. We opened up only 2 spaces for the new package. This is the event I will not be teaching for at least next 3 years, I promise you that. Genesis Trading Bootcamp with Genesis System is one of the luckiest and happiest moments in your life if you are joining us. In one day in bootcamp you will learn more than in previous 20 years. So when I work with veteran trader, 37-year trader who shares this is the best system he's ever traded, please listen to Gerald on podcast if you have not done it yet. It's an honor to hear what Gerald says. All under podcasts. Every single moment in a bootcamp will be precious. Because also we starting bootcamp during brutal, vicious market conditions. When the night of the election you can see institutional vicious sell-off when market will reverse. Because Wall Street loves Trump. That's the reason for the biggest market rally. If Trump loses election and Biden wins the election, we can see historical crush. You must be present. You must understand. You must protect yourself, your investments. This election is historical moment in the markets. Wall Street betting on Trump. You will see in 1 hour the most powerful moments in the market. During 2 weeks, you will see entirely opposite market formations. Again, I have never offered this before. Again, I will not be teaching Genesis Bootcamp for at least 3 more years. One of my top 3 strategies I've ever developed. This is included in 4 packages I currently offer. And that's opportunity of a lifetime. 5th package coming to the website will be for family offices, high net worth individuals, and hedge funds only. This is lifetime system that applies to everything. Group classes, video libraries, modules available 24/7. Students in 50+ countries. So if you're joining us now, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You will stop being gambler. You will start thinking and trading as Goldman Sachs trader does. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again and again and again. There are no sellers here, but as you saw when we started this video, we knew in advance this will be a problem. But if this support respected, it's a whole lot of junk. And that's how market testing you to the core. If you can trade one, you can trade Apple monthly, oil weekly, Forex hourly in your sleep. All you have to do is make an effort. And if you do, the sky's the limit. Because guess what? JP Morgan Trader makes an effort. Taking the course, putting 100 hours per week, first week, studying. So why aren't you making an effort? Goldman Trader not chasing indicators, not chasing $7 tool, not chasing $900 system. Why are you? If you trade the price, you can trade it all. If you think as news maker, not news trader, your life takes much better turn. That's it. That's the war zone in front of you. But we knew in advance nothing else is possible, only this. And that's the power of the system in live markets on Dow in front of you. If you can do this, you can trade long term in your sleep, as students do all over the world. All you have to do is make an effort. So now we're checking in with students to see if students traded. This morning, Jason, silver, 15.5 ticks, $25 per tick. As again, traders, pay attention what's happening in front of you, please. This is the power and precision of the system. So, Jennifer, 12 points on NQ. In Euro session, 40 points. As 90% of the time, the most powerful market formations in European session. Preston supporting Jennifer and Jason. Emmanuel, Jennifer's husband, killing it. Emmanuel brought his wife Jennifer and his best friend Adnan to the course. Boom! Incredible work, Adnan. Stunning. I'm so happy for you. Flawless. Traders supporting each other. Look at this beautiful family and friend. Jennifer, Emmanuel, and Adnan. I love it. What a joy when traders supporting each other and deliver such stunning performance in such nasty markets. This is what it's all about. We'll meet at the yacht, of course, and we'll have spectacular party in Hamptons. Flawless. I love it. Means the world, Adnan. This is phenomenal event for you. As Adnan sent me an email that he is my student forever, this means the world. This is community of traders globally. Traders who only interested building their own hedge fund. That's it. If these traders can do it, so can you. In the brutal, vicious, nasty markets, you decide what you want to trade. If you listen to Gerald's podcast, Do you remember how it finished? He said, oh my God, I missed the trade. This is his email after the podcast. Boom! This means the world from 37-year veteran of CME floor. And when Carlton bringing his friend Joe to the course, Joe is starting with us tomorrow. This is showing you how honored I am and how proud I am and thrilled. What traders do all over the world. If these traders can do it, so can you. These are vicious, horrific, brutal market conditions. Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you, keeping you out of trouble. We discuss no one in their clear mind shorting this market if this support is present. This is what traders have done. Vicious, nasty markets. It is that simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. This is all you will ever need. No matter what instrument, no matter what account you trade. Choice is yours. Thank you, traders. So when you join us, you can watch videos 24/7. Hundreds and hundreds of videos. At least 30% of our students in Australia, in Europe, in Middle East. And if you're using Thinkorswim on TradeStation or TradeView or any platform, as long as it has Fibonacci settings, it's not a problem. You have opportunities to watch hundreds of videos. You decide what you want to do, what you want to trade. Is it 1 minute? Is it daily? Is it hourly? Is it weekly? Is it monthly? Choice is yours. This opportunity will not be present again for at least 3 years. So if you're joining us now, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. Savings up to 5,000 for new students. Only 2 spaces left. Thank you, traders. We're off to class as price continues showing you the power of the system to the tick every single day, no matter what you trade.